today's workshop is completely based on AI. So how mathematics is rolling in the AI. Okay. In particularly linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, and optimizations. So these are very hot topic in mathematics. So without this, there is no large language models. So AI, so we are pronouncing AI, that is artificial intelligence, but actually the proper word is the large language models. How the large language models mathematics using? So mathematics is not a numbers, and we are not following any theorems and proofs. So mathematics is a language of science and technologies. So without max, that large language models won't generate any new ideas or any theorem proofs and all the things. So it is particularly based on the mathematics. For example, so we are nowadays talking about the Tesla. So Tesla cars, so how it is taking the decision and all the things, optimization and everything. So distance is calculated by using the calculus of variations, and that decisions is taken by using the probability theory. So we are seeing the numbers from mathematics as numbers from childhood. Mathematics means we are thinking that a plus b the whole square formulas, or a plus b the whole square formulas, Pythagorean theorems, and all the concept. But we are not knowing the other dark side of the applications of all the theorems and others. So today we are going to deal with that dark side of our numbers. So I am also one part of that. That's this today's workshop. So we are going and enjoying that one. So I am wishing you all thank you. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, I request our distinguished chief guest.
Good morning, all. Respected principal, sir, respected vice principal, sir, and respected and my beloved head of the department and member of faculties and the students. So, thank you very much for this opportunity. Really great and privileged to be here, associated with always Gobi Arts and Science College. So, I feel honored. So, I've been to many of the event, but I always proud to be here. So, this topic which you opted, and it is really interesting, and also it is very important when we modernizing the science, right? How the science, if you look at the number of arts colleges when I was in 2005 or earlier days, and after 2005 the engineering transformation, if you look at the number of engineering colleges, it's growing rapidly, still it's growing, but you all chosen wisely the science is science stream, right? So I must congratulate you, and it is I appreciate your interest. So if you look at the how the science is evolving as a technology, so everyone is having a mobile phone now, everyone is having are using AI, right? For chat gbt, everything. How this technology grows, it all starts from a textbook science, theorem proofs, and slowly it is evolved in a laboratory as an experiment, and then it evolves as an engineering systems, and then it becomes a technology which is close to the user, right? That's how all the technologies evolve. In that perspective, the scientific knowledge is the one, it is transforming the science from one generation to another generation, from one stage to other stage. So the foundation is the science for arts and science is the foundation for all such technologies which are matured and being used, consumed by the humans, right? All we use for a human benefit of human, whatever technology is comes from, but it evolves as a technology or as a science, a foundational science in a very preliminary stage, and then it rapidly progress as a technology. So in that perspective, this AI, artificial intelligence, is now very close, and you all very important, because you do a math or physics or chemistry. It's all like fundamentals of this kind of technology, which is a base of this technology. So I would wish this one day is going to be a learning phase for you, and also it is also another stage for searching a career, not typically in a teaching field, or not typically in, it gives you a multi-dimensional to work in this. So with this, I thank everyone for organizers to inviting me here, and I also wish you for a good learning experience at here at Gobi Arts and Science College. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Gratitude is the fairest blossom that springs from the soul. I now invite Dr. P. Duresamy sir, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and dear participants, good morning to all. It's my great honor to propose the vote of thanks for the inaugural function of the International Workshop on Mathematical Foundations Powering AI Research and Innovation. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty God for making this occasion possible and guiding us to the successful beginning. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected college presidents sir for their visionary leadership and constant encouragement in making this workshop a reality. I also extend my sincere thanks to our secretary and correspondent sir for their continued support and guidance. I am deeply thankful to our respected principal sir for their motivation and for providing us with the platform to organize this prestigious international workshop. Thank you, sir. My sincere appreciation also goes to our vice principal sirs for their valuable support and coordination. Thank you, sirs. I extend my profound gratitude to our distinguished guests, Dr. Suresh Rasapan sir and Dr. V. Nadarajan sir, for gracing this inaugural function. Your insightful address and inspiring thoughts have beautifully set the stage for the upcoming sessions. Thank you, sirs. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Mr. R. Chinnaraj sir, head of the department, for their leadership and efforts in organizing this workshop. Thank you, sir. My appreciation also goes to all the department staff members for their dedication and hard work behind the scenes. Thank you, sirs, ma'ams. I warmly thank all the participants from various colleges and institutions for being a part of this workshop and for your enthusiastic presence at the inaugural session. Thank you all. I also extend a special note of thanks to our online participants for joining us virtually and contributing to the success of this event. A special note of thanks to our students for their active involvement and support. I also extend my gratitude to the technicians and support staff for ensuring the smooth conduct of this function. Finally, I encourage all the participants to actively engage in the upcoming sessions and make the most of this workshop to enhance your knowledge and skills. Once again, I thank you all. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Great conversation often begin with a simple cup of tea. We have now reached a short pause in our rationally enriching sessions. It's time to refresh, relax, and reflect on the ideas we have explored so far.
Students are requested to stay here for few minutes.